Sometimes my teacher might give me some work that requires me to create content on my own and then return that. So let's open this red mistake here. There's a few instructions. So it says here add or create. I'm going to add something to this task. I'm going to create a new document. It could be anything. As you can see here, I can add something from Google Drive if I wish to, but I'm going to make a new document. And in this space here, I can add the content that I need to add. And here is the content that I've created as part of my assignment. So I want to make sure that it's finished here. So up over in the corner here, I've now got a turn in option, which sits next to the share function. If you are trying to work collaboratively with somebody, make sure you've shared it, or you can share it with other people. It's shared with your teacher. So click on share, and you can use the share options to decide whether they're going to be having this as a view access or an edit access, and you can change those in there, but make sure your document can be read by your teacher and can be read by your peers if you need it to be done so. So I'm now ready to hand that in, so I click on turn in. 2 attachments can be handed in. Yes, I'm going to hand them both in. That's excellent. And again, you've got the unsubmit. So now we can add our own documents to the assignment as being submitted by our teacher.